Hey, so I'm here with the coaches, and we are going to go through our recruiting software and program. So if you'll notice in some of our other postings and my postings this semester, we've talked about Xos. Now, Xos is our football application that helps our kids watch film and do other things. But then we also have Xos Scout, which is in that same company and the same brand, but it is the scouting side or the recruiting side for us. So that's how we find the players that we are looking for and we really need. And this program is really cool, and I'll take you through just a quick minute or two through this whole thing. So if you look here at the top, first of all, you see the board right here. And in this board, you can see where we have players, and I don't want to get into you all seeing those guys, but we have players of who we like in the board and the order that they're in. Then you have scouting over here. Now, scouting is I can go here and I can put in a name, or I can put in high school, whatever I need to do. And when I do that, there'll be a new list of kids that come up every day that we should go through a database of kids right here. And I move the name across just for privacy purposes. So you can see this whole area right here. Now next you can go over here to video, and this is where you can watch game film and other things of those kids. You can watch their highlight films in that department. So when you see the whole thing, you have your board of the kids you like and what order you want them in. Then you have the scouting department where you can search new kids, junior college kids, high school kids, coaches, high schools, teams, and then you can reset all these filters to make it you can make it more specific with the filters or more broad, whatever you want to do. And then again, we have the video. So these three all-encompassing things here, they have so many details to each thing. For instance, the board on our right over here, which I do want to hide, is you can do it to where the board is in a different setup to where you have it board as their name, where they're committed, what's their high school, or you can just simply have a name tag with just their name on the board. So there's a lot of encompassing things with this. And then on here you got our big board for the whole team. You see all these different boards of players here and coaches, their boards. You have grades, how you can make their label. Then you have options of adding players and finding players. So this is a big deal, and hopefully I can do another video for y'all just to show you. But this is what I'm going to show the coaches here. All right, thank y'all. Thanks a lot.